Okay, so this is the Sekai fan, the tower fan, the mini one. It's really dirty and I just cleaned it just now, but still kind of dirty, but better. Much better. See Sekai? Remember this? So here's the centrifugal fan it has a forward curved blade. And I was wondering what would happen if I make it a backward curved blade by putting this impeller upside down. Will it move the same amount of air or something? But when I check it, I can't. I think it's trendy like that, whatever. So it has forward curved blade, forward, and I don't know what this is for, maybe to balance it, but I tried to remove it, but I can't. It's stuck there. And so let's give it a run. Let's turn it on. You can feel the wind here. Air sucks in from there. Wind goes out from here. So this fan is very fast. Blows nice, huge amount of air everywhere, to every side. And I'm gonna turn it back off. So I'm gonna put it back on. And thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.